Good morning. I'm near Manchester today to a place called Cat and Fiddle, and that's an interesting stretch, a twisty stretch which you don't find around London. And meeting another Indian who rides a Tracer 700, I guess. So I met him through Reddit. The main office of JCB looks like Rochester is what I read. Pretty interesting. Let me show you the scenery. That's his bike.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you? Oh, Waze got me through some really interesting routes around here. I was surprised.
Quite windy here.
I like it this way. Hello.
Finally.
Finally. Yeah, after a failed meet last weekend. Okay, so that's the Tracer 900, not the 700. So we are doing the Cat and Fiddle Road now, which is A537. It's supposed to be a brilliant road, very popular. Famous Cat and Fiddle Inn, Cafe. We were going towards Maxfield, which is the town at the end of the Cattonfield Road. But then we are returning back onto that stretch and then taking another deviation towards Upper Goit Valley. There are a few dams. Hope they are not dry. So Parikshit is from Nagpur, although he's been here for quite a long time. Yeah, he owns what you see, the Tracer 900, not the GT version. The Tracer 900 is what I was initially intending to buy, but the insurance wanted me to pay a premium, almost half the amount of the bike itself as an annual premium, and that was only for the Yamaha, strangely. So that's why I dropped the idea. And then I'm on this beauty now. Decided not to proceed because of the off-road, and we're on pretty much street tires. Yeah, we're not going to the Upper Goit Valley, he said. So Parikshit will head back home. He lives in Manchester.